Furucombo DeFi platform features, strengths, weaknesses. Furucombo is a drag-and-drop DeFi tool that allows users to visually construct and execute complex transactions, or combos, across multiple protocols without needing to write code. Its core feature revolves around simplifying DeFi interactions, making strategies like yield farming, arbitrage, and flash loans accessible to a broader audience. Instead of manually interacting with individual protocols like Uniswap, Aave, or Compound, users connect cubes representing these platforms and define a sequence of actions, visualizing the entire transaction flow. Furucombo primarily targets DeFi users who are familiar with the space but lack the technical expertise to code custom strategies, or those seeking a more streamlined user experience. The platform's strengths lie in its user-friendliness, composability, and risk mitigation features. Its drag-and-drop interface significantly lowers the barrier to entry for participating in sophisticated DeFi strategies. Composability is enhanced because users can combine different protocols in a single transaction, optimizing capital efficiency and potentially unlocking unique opportunities. The platform includes a simulation mode that allows users to test their combos before execution, minimizing the risk of unexpected outcomes or financial loss. Despite these advantages, Furucombo has weaknesses. The platform is still dependent on the underlying protocols it integrates with, inheriting their risks and vulnerabilities. Smart contract bugs or exploits in Aave or Uniswap, for instance, can potentially affect Furucombo users. Another limitation is the potential for higher gas costs. Bundling multiple transactions into a single combo can sometimes increase the overall gas fees compared to executing individual transactions. Furthermore, while the visual interface is helpful, it can be less flexible than writing custom code for highly specific or complex strategies. The platform's security is also reliant on the security audits it undergoes. Users should verify audit reports before using the platform. Ultimately, Furucombo is a valuable tool for DeFi users seeking a simplified and visual way to interact with multiple protocols. It empowers non-technical users to participate in advanced strategies while providing risk mitigation tools like simulation mode. However, users should be aware of the inherent risks associated with DeFi and understand the potential for higher gas costs and limitations compared to coding custom solutions. Carefully consider the underlying protocol risks and the platform's security audits before engaging with Furucombo. Its success depends on continued development, security enhancements, and integration with new and innovative DeFi protocols.